When brothers turn enemies, nature reveals its darkest truth. Two Bengal cats, born as brothers, now face destiny's challenge. What changed? A queen in heat enters their territory, and what happens next? Nobody was prepared. Watch as their 5,000 pedigree shatters. Each growl, each strike, pure wild instinct emerges. Their ancient DNA ignites. What follows will leave you speechless. Ancestral power courses through their veins as they battle for supremacy. One queen's heart, one brother's pride. Watch fate decide. When nature calls, even the strongest bonds break. Today, a new king claims his throne. Blood drew them together, but instinct chose the victor.